ASLMU's Sustainability Team served the local community with a Dockweiler beach cleanup last weekend. We spoke to VP of Sustainability, Gabby Yaturi, to learn more about the committee's future goals for LMU's campus and how we can be more environmentally conscious.
This committee is really to support the aims of LMU sustainability missions through ASLMU. Usually we have some discussions about what students want to see, so students can take a project that they're interested in, like native plants is one of them that we've been talking about. Someone's really interested in doing a native plant project. One of the goals that I came into this position with was increasing sustainable habit awareness, because I do think that there's a gap in what we can individually do. So one of the things we've been focusing on is learning about recycling a lot. Only like 20% of recycling actually gets recycled, because the second you throw something away in there that isn't recyclable, the whole thing is contaminated and it won't get recycled. Increasing people being outside is my other goal. I just want people to go outside, see for themselves what's going on, see pollution for themselves, be outside, because I do think that sparks an interest. And then goal 3 is reducing campus waste at LMU. Things that are actually happening physically. We're working on a November Bluff cleanup. We're aiming for November 8th. We want to get out there and pick up our own community, especially the Bluff, because if you don't know, it has a lot of trash, whether it's cigarette butts, cans, things like that on the Bluff. We want people to see it and we want people to get involved. When talking about the environmental crisis that we're living in right now, it can feel like it's this huge thing that nobody can change anything about because it's in the hands of the government or who's in power, but we can do a lot as individuals, and I think making that conscious effort to recognize our individual output can make a huge difference. So if you're interested in sustainability at all, or if you want to be part of this team, we would love it, and the more volunteers the better, the more hands on deck the better.
The Loyola Marymount University campus contains many spots that are special to the student community. However, the Bluff serves as one of the most widely visited spots on campus other than classrooms. We talked to a first-year student about their take on the significance of the cleanliness of the Bluff.
So I think that the Bluff is a really important space for a lot of students on the community, especially, being a freshman, like we always hang out there. It's a great place to connect and get off screen. And so I think that it's really important for organizations like ASLMU to exist and, strengthen the LMU community by cleaning up the Bluff.
If we have a team of people that are passionate and committed, we can make so much more progress.